Greetings Rockstar, Eugene Pals here. Today's date is the 15th of September 2022. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 or more online fast starting from zero in this Make Money Online for Beginners video. You don't need a website of your own. You don't need a product of your own. You don't need a huge email list. You don't need expensive paid traffic. In fact, I'm going to show you how to get started 100% free. I'll also be showing you proof of my earnings. So if you found value in this video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification to notify you whenever I release a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Okay, we'll be covering a platform called Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is one of the well-known affiliate marketing platforms. It's 100% free to create an account, and it's 100% free to promote the products on Warrior Plus. I'm just going to log into my back office so I can go into a bit more detail for you. As you can see, I'm in my Warrior Plus back office. Just going to hover over affiliates and click on dashboard. I'm then brought to my Warrior Plus sales dashboard. As you can see, today I've earned a total of $270.74. Yesterday, $230.45. The last 7 days, $1,781.59. The last 30 days, $6,348.12. If I go down to my affiliate daily stats, you can see the last 7 days, total number of hops or clicks, 2,243. Total number of sales, 247. Total earnings is $1,781.59, which corresponds with this amount here, $1,781.59. Warrior Plus is a free affiliate marketing platform. You get the vendors, you get the affiliates. We are affiliates. The vendors are the guys that bring their products to Warrior Plus to have them promoted. Okay, so the only drawback with Warrior Plus is you have to apply to these vendors to be able to promote their products. But I'm going to show you an easy, quick solution. A lot of people have been complaining they are not getting approved to promote the products. So there is a way around it. Okay, the specific product I have been promoting to get most of these sales, I'm going to show you in a moment. You join this product. It's 100% free to join. The front end sale is 100% free. Then there are upsells that you can upgrade later on if you want to, but you want to be able to promote this funnel or this product. You want to be able to promote this product using their sales funnel. Okay, so if I go up to affiliates and I click on offers, I'm then brought to my affiliate offers page. If I scroll down here, basically you get the offer on the left hand side, you get the release date, sales, conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, refund rate, and then the pulse score. Okay, the way up our search for products is I never promote a product that has been released less than 3 months ago, because you want these statistics to be accurate. You want the sales to be more than 1,000. You want the conversion rate to be more than 10%, and the refund rate to be less than 5%. As you can see here, you've got the request buttons. That's where you're going to fill in the request to the vendor to be able to get your referral link so that you can promote the product. Okay, so the product I've been promoting with fantastic results is FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. They were released 18th of July 2021. They got 50,000 plus sales, 24% conversion, and a 0% refund rate. That's why this is an excellent product. So if you look below my YouTube video, you'll see there, Get FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. Then the link, just click on the link. It'll take you to this sales page or landing page for funnily enough, Unleashed Free Sales Machine. Watch the video. It's an excellent video by AJ Simon. Him and Mark Hayden created this product. Excellent product. It's 100% free, as you can see here. Yes, I want my free sales machine. Just click on the button. You'll be brought to the checkout page, and then just click here, I've read and accepted the terms and conditions. You'll see it's 100% free. Get free access. Just click on there. And if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, they'll guide you through creating a free Warrior Plus account. Then they'll send you an email with your product. If you go to your email, this is what the product looks like. Receipts, FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. And then if you click on here, it'll take you to your page where you can access your purchase. You have to be logged into Warrior Plus. So if you click on access your purchase, you'll be brought to your members area for, funnily enough, Unleashed Free Sales Machine. Go through the back office here. Watch the video by AJ Simon. Get started here. And the main thing is you want the free Facebook training. Okay, this is free traffic. You're going to get free traffic from Facebook. Excellent training. You want to go through this training and implement what they teach you here. It's 100% free traffic that you can drive to this funnel. And then once you start making money, you want to upgrade to the first 3 upsells in this funnel. If you click on get started, go to step 1, go through the video and then get your affiliate link where it says get your affiliate link here. So you don't have to request permission from the vendor to promote this product. You'll get access automatically. Just follow the steps in the video. Okay, you're going to join the Facebook group. Then you go to step 2. The other first 3 upsells are watch a done for you email profits video, watch limitless traffic video, and highly recommended watch Funnel Profits Pro video. Okay, I've purchased all of these products. They're very worthwhile and you're only going to make more money, especially with Funnel Profits Pro, where you're going to be earning 100% commissions instead of 50% commission as a free affiliate for FE Unleashed. So if I go back, you've got a free way to promote this funnel. Go through all this training in here. AJ Simon shows you exactly how to get set up. If you want to get started as soon as possible, you don't want to go through the steep learning curve of learning how to generate free leads because it takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. And you've got some cash to spend. They have paid options, but their paid options are very expensive. I've been using a platform for more than 3 years now. It's very inexpensive. It'll only take you about 5 minutes a day to set up. And the main thing is you get results. Okay, the platform I'm talking about is My Lead Gen Secret. What is My Lead Gen Secret? Well, they do the heavy lifting for you. And when I talk about heavy lifting, I mean they go out and get the leads for you, the traffic for you. Okay, leads are basically people that are interested in what you've got to offer. But you've also got a way of contacting them via email or a phone number. That is what a lead is. Okay, so you need targeted leads and targeted traffic. It doesn't help you promoting a way to make money online to people that are looking for gardening tips, ways to care for your pet, woodwork, etc. So you have to have targeted leads, and that's what My Lead Gen Secret does. They will go and find 100 guaranteed buyer leads every single day, people looking for ways to make money online. Then all you have to do is log into your back office every day, use the built-in mailing system and email those leads, whatever you're promoting. So I'm going to log into my back office and just go into a little bit more detail for you. Okay, I said My Lead Gen Secret will generate 100 guaranteed buyer leads for you every single day, which is loaded into your back office here where it says My Leads. And then all you have to do is use the built-in mailing system, email those leads, promoting either My Lead Gen Secret itself using your referral link like this one here, or promoting ClickBank offers like the one we've just created a link for, okay, paying social media jobs, and then email those leads every single day. And that's how you make sales. It's very simple. Right, so if I scroll down a little bit further here, you'll see lead stats, 200 leads today, 200 leads yesterday, 100 bonus leads today. So how do you get 200 leads every day? Just by promoting your My Lead Gen Secret referral link inside the system to the leads that they give you using the built-in mailing system, or outside of the system like on social media and other platforms. Okay, so when you make one sale or bring one person into My Lead Gen Secret, then you qualify for 200 leads every day. So I'm just going to show you what the leads look like. If I go to my leads, I'm then brought to my leads page. These leads are loaded in here like clockwork once every 24 hours. As you can see, 200 leads will appear in 9 hours, 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Today's date, September the 15th, 2022. I received 200 leads. I've been receiving 200 leads every single day. If I click on this little icon, the leads are broken down by date, first name, last name, email address, IP address, city, state, postal code, country, and the lead partner that generated the lead. There are 10 lead partners that generate the lead for My Lead Gen Secret. These leads come from tier 1 countries, meaning that they come from English-speaking countries, and that is excellent for affiliate marketing. So you have the option to select all these boxes, download all the leads to a CSV file, or download all leads from all pages to a CSV file, and then upload these leads and do with them whatever you want. They are your leads. I like to keep it simple. I like to keep the leads in the back office, use the free built-in mailing system, and email these leads every day promoting whatever I want. So I'd like to prove that the sales that I've made in Warrior Plus come from an email I sent out to these leads in My Lead Gen Secret. So if I go back to Warrior Plus, I hover over affiliates and I click on stats. I'm then brought to my affiliate stats page. Today's date, the 15th of September 2022. The product is FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. Total hops 300 hops, 27 sales. Hop conversion 9%, dollar per hop 90 cents, dollar per sale $10 3 cents, total $270.74, which corresponds with the dashboard. As you can see over here, 15th of September 2022, 300 hops, 27 sales, total earnings $270.74. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to prove to you that the sales I made in FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine come from an email I sent out to the leads in My Lead Gen Secret. So if I click on FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine, I'm then brought to my affiliate stats FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. Today's date, the 15th of September 2022. Okay, FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. Here we've got a tracking code, MLGS September 14th. Okay, then we've got unique hops. The unique hops differ from the original hops because these hops are restricted to only one hop per person. So duplicate hops are cancelled, which you'll find in the original hops, which were 300 hops. The sales stay the same. Hop conversion went up slightly, 9.50%. Dollar per hop went up slightly, 0.95 cents. And total earnings $270.74. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prove that this tracking code, I inserted it into a link in one of the emails I sent out to the leads in My Lead Gen Secret. So if I go back to My Lead Gen Secret and I scroll down the home page to where it says recently sent mailings. These are the last 3 emails I sent out in My Lead Gen Secret. As you can see, I sent out this one today, the 15th, that one the 14th, and that one on the 12th. We're going to be focusing on this email, no talk, just action. If I click and open up the email, no talk, just action, and I scroll down to where my links are, you'll see these links are anchored text. If I hover over the link, you'll see my Warrior Plus referral link in the bottom left hand corner with my tracking code MLGS September 14th. If I scroll to the next link and I hover over the link, the bottom left hand corner, you'll see the Warrior Plus referral link with my tracking code MLGS September 14th, which corresponds with the tracking code in Warrior Plus for FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine MLGS September 14. So that goes to prove that this email I sent out to the leads in My Lead Gen Secret. Some of the leads clicked on the link in the email and some of the leads purchased the FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine offer in Warrior Plus. Okay, so you've got the option to purchase the master email swaps in My Lead Gen Secret. It's going to cost you $30 for these 30 email swaps. They were written by the owner, Jim Harmon. You also get 10 free email swaps in the affiliate section. If you join me today in My Lead Gen Secret, I'll give you my 80 professionally written email swaps written for me by a 7-figure email marketer, 100% free. Okay, these email swaps convert like crazy, and that is how I'm making the sales on ClickBank and Warrior Plus. So if you want to join me in My Lead Gen Secret, click on the link below the video or in the description below. Then send me an email to eugene@thebrokemans.plan.com notifying me that you've joined me in My Lead Gen Secret so that I can send you my welcome email with all my free bonuses. So I'm just going to show you how quick and simple the mailing system works. If I click on mailing system, I'm then brought to my mailing system. I'm just going to leave it selected mail by date. I'm going to select last 200,000 of 246,500 leads. I've maxed out the system so I can only send a maximum of 200,000 emails to 200,000 leads per day. Send from, I'll leave on send from Eugene Pelser because I want the leads to learn to like and trust me. Then they'll buy from me. Okay, every time you send out an email, it gets saved here automatically so that you can use it in future again. So I'm just going to send out an email I've used before. If I click on the drop down, I'll be sending out this email. It's not your fault. If I click load, the subject line is populated. If I scroll down to the email editor, so I see how many links I've got there. I've got 2 links. I'm just going to replace those links. I'll show you exactly how to set up these emails and send them out in my free training videos when you join me in My Lead Gen Secret. So I'm going to head over to my notification from Warrior Plus when I apply to get the FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine referral link. So scroll down, this is the email you'll get. I'll just go to Warrior Plus. Okay, you'll see yeah, my referral link is, I'm just going to copy it for FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. Go back to my mailing system, and I'm just going to click on here and go to the link icon. I'm going to delete that link. I'm going to paste in my new link. What I want to do is I want to just put in a tracking code here. So it's / and I'm going to say MLGS, that stands for Marley J Secret, September 16th. I'm just going to copy it, put it in the next link. Okay, same thing, delete. Okay, it looks good, so I'm just going to click on preview. Okay, the email looks good to go. Just going to check that my link works. It takes me to my FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine sales page or landing page. It looks good. Okay, I'm not going to check the next link. Click close. Then I'm going to select perfect timing. The system knows exactly when these leads open up the emails, and it will send out this email according to that. And all I'm going to do is click on send email. That's it. Your message has been queued. You should be able to view it in the statistics page in a few moments. Please wait 22 hours 59 minutes before your next mailing. So you can send out one email roughly every 24 hours. Okay, so you have a few options with Marley Jane Secret. You can promote Marley Jane Secret, the system itself, to the leads using the free built-in mailing system with my 80 professionally written email swipes. Then email these leads every day, promoting Marley Jane Secret, or you can promote offers like the Warrior Plus offer we've just covered, ClickBank offers, JVZoo offers, even cryptocurrency offers will work with the system. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to prove to you that I've made sales promoting Marley Jane Secret to these leads. So if I click on affiliates, click on commissions, I cover the compensation plan in detail in my free training videos when you join me in Marley Jane Secret. The RC stands for recurring commission. We get paid 5 levels deep. So that means that these people are renewing their subscriptions. So I'm earning a fantastic residual income every month. When you refer 5 people between Monday and Sunday, you get a $100 superstar bonus. Okay, you can earn unlimited $100 superstar bonuses. I'm going to scroll right down to the bottom. You see I earned a total of $26,099. They've paid out $26,045. They've still got to pay me out $54. Once you reach the threshold of $30, you can request a payout. They'll pay you to your Bitcoin wallet, to your PayPal account, or they can send you a paper check which you can cash anywhere in the world at any bank. To join Marley Jane Secret is going to cost you $60 for your first month, which includes $30 for your first month subscription, plus $30 for your one-time setup fee. From your second month onwards, it will only be $30 per month. This you can pay with a credit or debit card, or you can pay with Bitcoin. If you decide to pay with Bitcoin, send me an email to eugene@thebrokemansPlan.com notifying me that you want to join with Bitcoin so that I can send you the Bitcoin wallet details. That's it for this video. If you want to join me in Marley Jane Secret, click on the link below the video or click on the link below in the description. Then don't forget to send me an email to eugene@thebrokemansPlan.com notifying me that you've joined me in Marley Jane Secret so that I can send you my welcome email with all my free bonuses, which include my 80 professionally written email swipes, access to our Facebook group, and my free training videos guiding you through the back office, showing you exactly how to set up the emails and send them out. If you want to watch more videos of me making sales on other platforms using Marley Jane Secret, then check out the videos I've got listed down below in the description. If you found value in this video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification to notify you whenever I release a new video. This is Eugene Pelser. Have a fantastic day.